Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Singer 9960 sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Hashtag, the Singer Heavy Duty 500 Classic Sewing Machine combines vintage-inspired design with modern functionality, making it a standout option for sewists who appreciate both aesthetics and performance. With its retro black and gold design, this machine adds a classic charm to your workspace. But don't let its nostalgic look fool you. This machine is packed with powerful features, including a strong motor with 50% more power, making it perfect for sewing heavy fabrics like denim and canvas. In terms of functionality, the HD 500 offers 23 built-in stitches, including essential and decorative options, and a one-step buttonhole. While it doesn't have the extensive stitch library of higher-ranked models, it excels in reliability and durability thanks to its full metal frame. It's also equipped with adjustable stitch length, width, and needle position, giving you the flexibility to customize your projects. The included accessory kit provides all the essentials, from multiple presser feet to a soft cover for storage. This machine is ideal for those who work on heavy-duty fabrics and want a dependable, no-frills sewing experience. While it doesn't have the advanced computerized features of other models, its simplicity and strength make it a great value for its price. However, if versatility and stitch variety are your priorities, you might want to look at other options on this list. 3. Taking the third spot is the Singer Heavy Duty 4452, the most budget-friendly option on this list. Priced at just $249, this machine is a powerhouse for its category, offering a strong motor with enhanced piercing power that's perfect for heavy fabrics like leather and denim. Its full metal frame ensures stability and durability, making it a reliable choice for everyday sewing. The 4452 includes 110 stitch applications, covering basic, stretch, and decorative options, as well as a one-step buttonhole. While it doesn't have the advanced computerized features of other models, its simplicity is part of its charm. The top drop-in bobbin is easy to monitor, and the built-in needle threader makes setup quick and convenient. The included accessory kit, with 6 presser feet and other essentials, adds significant value. This machine is ideal for sewists who need a durable, high-speed machine for heavy-duty projects. Its affordability makes it accessible for beginners, while its power and simplicity appeal to more experienced users. However, if you're looking for advanced stitch options or quilting features, you might find this model a bit limiting. Coming in at number 2 is the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, a feature-packed machine that's perfect for advanced sewists. With 600 built-in stitches and 1,172 stitch applications, this machine offers unparalleled versatility for quilting, home decor, and fashion projects. It even includes lettering options for monogramming and custom text, adding a personal touch to your creations. The 9960 excels in user convenience. With features like an automatic needle threader, a top drop-in bobbin system, and adjustable sewing speed, the large extension table is perfect for quilting, and the 13 one-step buttonhole styles ensure professional results every time. The included accessory kit is extensive, with 13 presser feet and other tools to support a wide range of sewing techniques. While its price tag may be higher than some other models, the 9960's advanced features and robust build quality justify the investment. This machine is ideal for experienced sewists who want a high-performing, versatile machine that can handle complex projects with ease. However, beginners may find its extensive features a bit overwhelming at first. Taking the top spot is the Singer Quantum Stylist 9985, the most advanced and premium option on our list. With over 1,000 stitch applications and features like mirror imaging and stitch elongation, this machine is a dream for creative sewists. The large color LCD touchscreen makes navigation intuitive, allowing you to preview stitches and access built-in tutorials with ease. The 9985 is designed for precision and customization, offering 13 one-step buttonhole styles and adjustable stitch settings. The machine also allows you to save custom stitch sequences in its 60 memory slots, giving you the flexibility to revisit your favorite designs. The full metal frame ensures durability, and the accessory kit includes 15 presser feet, making it a comprehensive package for sewists of all levels. While the 9985 is the most expensive option on this list, its advanced features and build quality make it worth the investment for serious sewists. This machine is perfect for those who want the ultimate in creativity and control, whether you're working on high-end fashion projects or intricate quilts. Beginners may find it overkill, but for advanced users, it's a game changer. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.